So if A is equal to 3 into 3 matrix here, A square is equal to identity matrix I, x y z is equal to 2 and x plus y plus z greater than 0, then find the value of x cube plus y cube plus z cube here. So here asked with the 25th year, DEE May 2021. So 25th February. So shift to 1 year. Even this is also numerical programming. They are not giving any options here. Then find the value of x plus y, x cube plus y cube plus z cube here. Okay. So here they given a square is equal to I. Taking its determinant of A, its a square is equal to determinant of I. And you know determinant of I is a 1 year. Take a square right hand side here. So determinant of A is equal to plus or minus 1 year. Then expand this determinant here. Therefore x z into y becomes yz minus of x into x is x square here minus of y into y becomes y square minus of x into z is x z here, then plus z into, so right here z into bracket x into y becomes xy, z into this z becomes z square here is equal to plus or minus 1 here. Take x inside here, so xy is z minus of x cube minus of y cube minus of minus plus xy z here, then again plus xy z minus of z cube is equal to plus or minus 1 here. Therefore xyz plus xyz plus xyz is a 3xyz here. Take plus or minus on left side here, minus or plus 1 is equal to, take these three terms right hand side. So x cube plus y cube plus z cube here. They already given xyz values up here. So 3 into 2 minus or plus 1 here is equal to x cube plus y cube plus z cube here. Hence x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3 2s are 6, 6 minus 1 is 5, or 3 2s are 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay, so 5 or 7. Okay. The system, three equations are there, has unique solution, no solution, infinite solution, and none of these here. So there is a condition here. If delta is not equal to 0, then the given system of equations is consistent and has a unique solution here. Therefore, in this case, delta is equal to determinant of, okay, so 2, 3 and 2 here, then 4, so 6 and 2, then minus of 1 here, 1 and 2 here, then expand it here, so 2 into 6 2s are 12, minus of 2, minus of 3 4 2s are 8 here, minus 2 1s are 2, minus minus plus 2 here, then 2 into bracket 4 1s are 4, plus 6 1s are 6 here. Then obviously this is not equal to 0. Therefore it has a unique solution here. First one is correct option here. Let us consider A is equal to the matrix here 2 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 2 here. Then obviously it's a determinant is equal to 4 here. Product of the diagonal elements. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. They are already given here. Determinant of A is equal to 4. And alright, denote the ith row of A. If a matrix B is a form using R2 implies 2 R2 plus 5 R3 in the matrix 2A, then determinant of B is what here? Suppose here B is obtained by, so R2 gives here 2 R2 plus 5 R3. Keep. Just look here. First and last to keep as it is 2 0 0 0 0 and 2 here. Okay. Then here multiply second row by 2 here. Multiply second row by 2 and multiply fifth row by 5 here. Multiply here by 5 adding to this term here. Therefore multiply 2 here, it becomes a 0. Again plus 0 becomes a 0 here. It is a 0 only. Multiply here by 2 here. Multiply here by 5 adding here. So 2 plus 0 gives 2. It is a 2 here. Then write this as 0. Multiply here by this 2 here. 2 into 0 becomes a 0. Multiply here by 5. 5 2 is not 10 here. So plus 10 is equal to 10. So write here is a 10. Therefore determinant of P. Determinant of P is 2 2s are 4. And one more thing here. Here B is what here? In the matrix of 2A. They given here it is a 2A here. That's why immediately can't write like that here. 2A is equal to multiply here each term by 2 here. Therefore 2 2s are 4. 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 4 here. Then take here B. B is equal to first and last row keep as it is. So 4 0 0 0 0 4 here. According to this result here, R2 gives here 2 R2 plus 5 R3 here. Multiply second row by 2. Multiply second row by 2. Multiply third row by 5 here. It is a by 5. So therefore 2 into 0 becomes a 0. 5 into 0 becomes a 0. It is a 0. So write here 0. Multiply here by 2 here. 2 into 2 becomes a 4 plus. Multiply here by 5. 5 into 0 becomes a 0. It is a 4 here. So write here 4. Then multiply by 2. 2 into 0 is a 0. Multiply by 5 here. 5 4s are 20. Plus 20 is a 20 here. So right here it is a 20. Then find its determinant here. So determinant of V is equal to determinant of 4 0 0. So 0 4 20 20 here. Not 24. It is a 20. 20 here. Then we have 0 0 and 4 here. Then expand it here. Therefore this is equal to 4 into 4 4s are 16 here. Minus of 0. Then 0 into any term is 0. 0 into any term is 0 here. 16 4s are 64 here. Therefore first option is correct here. 64 is the correct option here. Because here matrix B formed using R2 implies 2 R2 plus 5 R3 in the matrix 2A. Therefore first write here find 2A. So 2A means multiply each element by 2A. You get this matrix. Then B is obtained by using this result here. Means only second row changes. First row, third row keep as it is. First row, third row keep as it is here. Therefore second row is obtained by multiply second row by 2, third row by 5 and adding here. Then we get the second row. So then multiply 2 here. Multiply by 5, add it here, again it is 0. Multiply by 2 here, 2 to the 4, multiply by 5, then 4 plus 0 is 4 only, multiply by 2 here, it becomes 0, multiply by 5 here, 5 plus 20, 20 plus 0 becomes 20 here, then expand this determinant here, then we get 64, so 64 is the answer. If A is equal to 2 into 2 matrix here, A into transpose of A is I, then find alpha into 4 plus beta into 4. It is a numerical problem here. Therefore, here they given A into transpose of A is identity matrix here. Therefore, 1 minus alpha and beta into, it's a transpose 1 minus alpha and beta, that is equal to 1 0 0 1 here. Multiply the matrices here, 1 into 1 becomes 1, minus alpha into minus alpha plus alpha square here, 1 into alpha becomes alpha, minus alpha into beta, minus alpha beta here, alpha into 1 becomes alpha here, beta into minus alpha, minus of alpha beta here, alpha into alpha becomes alpha square plus beta into beta becomes beta square here. That is equal to 1 0 0 and 1 here. Therefore 1 plus alpha square is 1 here. 1 plus alpha square is equal to 1. Therefore alpha square is equal to 1 and 1 cancel, it is a 0. Therefore alpha becomes a 0. Then alpha minus alpha beta is equal to 0 here. Alpha minus alpha beta is equal to 0. Then alpha into 1 minus beta is equal to 0. Hence alpha is equal to 0 or 1 minus beta is equal to 0. Alpha is already 0, so therefore beta is equal to 1. Therefore alpha into 4 plus beta into 4, alpha into 4 plus beta into 4 becomes 0 plus 1 is. Therefore the 1 is the answer. Even you can take this one also. Alpha square plus beta square is equal to 1 here. Alpha square plus beta square is equal to 1. Then alpha is already 0. So this becomes a 0 plus beta square is equal to 1 here. From this result also beta is 1 here. So alpha into 4 is a 0. Beta into 4 is 1 here. Because beta value is 1 here. So 1 is the answer here.